Quest Integration is a full-service solution provider for mechanical engineers and manufacturing facilities.
We work with the educational groups building up a homegrown, technically adept workforce, and we offer personalized, hands-on, and on-site assistance.
We're a team that's committed to serving the manufacturing and engineering area by providing quality service and training.
I'd like to say we are the best team providing the best solution to the best customers.
When you put in a call to Quest Integration or an email, our commitment is that we're going to answer you quickly and efficiently.
We are a solution for people when they run into problems or design challenges.
We visit you to build a better relationship and help understand challenges you face.
We are getting to see hands-on what our customers are dealing with.
So that when they call us for support, we not only know how to answer their question, but more importantly, why they're asking us the questions.
They can call and have confidence in knowing that they're going to get the answers that they need.
I encourage you to challenge us, make us work for you. In the end, you'll see that we're a very competent team that's capable of handling anything you throw at us.
When you're looking for a manufacturing partner, you're looking for someone who's going to support you, show up at your office, and actually know your problems. That's what Quest does for you.
There really is no substitute for competence.